Good morning. So yesterday I shared with a lot of you what's happening on Lakeshore and how you had to jump over a giant hole in order to get into my store. So you had to be really, really determined to get in there. We literally had exactly 5 people walk in the store yesterday, and one of them was my boyfriend, so I don't know if that really counts. So today I decided to start doing a little vlog to show you what's happening on Lakeshore and what it's like to own a tiny little business on it. So I'm about to pay for parking. We have to be as close as possible. So today I have my camera equipment and a whole bunch of other things to carry. So I'll take you through how I'm going to get into the store. Stay tight. So I was showed that I can go through this little alleyway back here on Church Street to get to my store. I did that yesterday, and as I turned the corner down there, I got sprayed by power wash water, which I hope it was water. The construction guy looked at me and kind of dropped everything and walked away. So we'll see what's gonna face us today. So I'm just jumping over this. Let's see. Oh great, so there's a giant hole right in front of my door. And I'm not sure if I can get through, so let's see. I just tripped on something. Yeah guys, this is the hole that's in front of my store, so I hope you come shopping. Okay, so they put this down for me so I can come through. So if you're coming to shop with us, make sure you tell them to put a plate down. And our lovely shop.
What's that?
So guys, I'm now inside, and I don't think you guys are coming through the big hole that's there. I actually also have a big furniture delivery that has to happen today. So I'm really, really, really hopeful that they don't turn back and that they deliver it. Because last week we had UPS turn back all week and I couldn't get a hold of them, and we had to be short on a wholesale order. We had to cancel some custom orders, and I couldn't restock a bestseller. So we'll see what happens. So another little update, I do have to say that the construction crew has been really fabulous, at least most of them, and they are more than accommodating to make sure that customers are escorted safely across the street, that if you really needed to come in, they're ready with a plank of wood so that you can come across, and they are more than willing to open up the street in order to get my furniture delivery in, which is amazing, and they are willing to help out to get the furniture in. So I really, really hope that some of you decide to come and visit us today, even though it's madness and this is just the start of madness outside. We do have a super cute store that's waiting for your visit. We even have a sale table that we usually never have sales, so now we have one. See you soon. At this point I can't do anything but laugh because we did manage to get a big piece of furniture in. Unfortunately, the movers had broken the latch on it, so the cupboard couldn't be opened, so that went back. However, we do have 2 pretty awesome wooden tables here ready to be transformed, but you know, life of a shop owner. See you soon.
Store is open for business, even with all this messy traffic. I'm very excited. Came in, bought my sister a birthday present. Make sure you come on by and support our local businesses. We want them to stay in business.
Good morning, it's Thursday, and I just wanted to continue my little shop owner vlog. Today we're going to focus less on what's happening outside and more on what's happening inside the store. We can't control what's happening outside, so therefore we're going to focus on what we can actually control, which is what's happening inside, and creating the space and positivity and the creative space that we want to have in here, basically. So today is actually going to be a very busy day. We have a lot going on. As you know, I do run 2 different businesses. I have an online jewelry store, and then I have Dove+Arrow. So this morning I started at 5:30. I worked on some orders for my Etsy store for Willows Studio. I did some prep work. Then I ran some quick errands for the two, not one, 2 workshops that we're running today. I need to pick up a few things, and then now I'm here. So in between customers, hopefully we have lots of customers, we are, or I am, going to be working on a few things. We need to prep some blanket ladders for the workshop that we have tomorrow. I also need to paint one for a client that's coming to pick it up today. I need to do some contract work that I do on the side, and then I finished the big armoire that we've had in the back for almost 1.5 years. That's ready to be photographed. I need to contact a couple of customers that have expressed interest in it to see if they still want it, and if they don't, then it needs to move towards the front of the store so that more of you can see it. After that, that's not enough. I need to do some design work for our workshops that are coming up. So we're designing some custom stencils, and I need to run those by our customers to make sure that that's what they want, and get those stencils ready and prepped. And then I need to prepare the space for our 2 workshops. We're running our very first macrame workshop tonight, which we have 8 people coming for it, and we need staff to bring some big frames to create the macrame wall hangings on. So we need to clear up the space for that. And then in the front, we're going to run our monthly Mala beaded bracelet workshop. So I need to prepare the space for Kate so that she can teach her workshop. And then I need to get some client designs ready for a wholesale order that we have coming up, and then update our Etsy store for both Willow and Dove+Arrow, and update our website with some new workshops coming up. Hold on, the mail lady's here.
Hi, have you got your parcels yet?
Big ones? Do you have them?
Yeah, just a couple. Okay. They wouldn't all fit in my vehicle. So they should be here today.
There's 5 big ones, right?
Yeah, I think they usually come.
Okay, so another thing that's hilarious is I have 5 very large boxes of pillow forms coming in, and Kevin and Post can't deliver them. 1, because of the construction, and 2, because they're so large. So a regular mail lady can't deliver them, unfortunately, because she has a very small truck. So that's kind of what's happening right now. So I'm anticipating our pillows because we have workshops, and you love our pillows, and we need the inserts. Anyway, I shared with you kind of a long list of to-dos, and I don't know how far I got, but we have lots more coming up, and I'm actually going to ask the foreman if I can keep some of the trees that
and like foreground. And then you get your pink that you like too.
Yeah. Just practice that. You got it? You want to continue? We can go to the next one, Zach.
Hi guys, it's actually almost 3 p.m. or after 3 p.m. on Friday. I gave you a long list of what we had to do yesterday, and I actually didn't get a lot of it done just because there was a lot going on in the store. People were in and out. There were a lot of deliveries, and then I had to prep for a double workshop, which you would have just seen. So today I'm sitting in the back of the store where I hide behind my big poster, and I call this my messy headquarters, but I am trying to get some custom pillows and some Oakville pillows, which are a bestseller in the store, done, and then I need to cut some custom stencils that I just got approved from my students for tonight's workshop and for tomorrow. So I need to prep those as well, and I need to get these pillows done, and then I have some shirts to make hopefully get that done today. And I'll keep you updated. Friday night workshop. Everyone's doing a different project. We have pillows. Let's see. Amazing. Look at how crisp those lines are.
Oh wow.
Good job.
Oh, I like it.
Yeah.
I like the way it turned out.
We have a custom board. Holly brought her own board and we created a custom stencil for her. Over here, what do we have here? We have a wonderful blanket letter being stained in cappuccino. We have a welcome sign getting painted. And then we have a friend Angie over there making her own crown. Fabulous, Angie. Fabulous. Everyone's doing their own project today. Everyone's doing their own custom project. It's amazing. Are you having fun, ladies?
Yes.
Now you've learned.
Thank you. Right, I didn't actually realize that they were working on Saturday. Although this is great because they'll finish early. It's a little detrimental to us because it's one of our busiest days, and it would probably be a lot better if we didn't have construction outside, just so that more people will come downtown to shop. Anyway, I have a workshop starting in a little bit, and this is the mess that we left yesterday because it was almost 10 o'clock when we finished, and I just put the wet paint brushes in some water and I left. So I need to put together quickly a blanket ladder for a workshop and get some pillows ready. So we'll talk in a bit.